Good morning. Today we are starting the endocrine system. So for endocrine system, we should know endocrine system consists of glands as well as hormones. So first we are taking glands. What is glands? Cuboidal epithelial tissue are act as gland. If the epithelial tissue swell and it release some chemical which create a response is known as gland. Next, talking about hormones, first we should know the difference between hormone and pheromone. Hormone is the chemical releasing from the same person and acting to the same person, whereas pheromone is that in which it is releasing from one person and acting on the second person. Next, talking about hormone, hormones are mostly proteinaceous in nature. They may be steroids like progesterone and testosterone. Hormones may be solid, they may be gaseous, or they may be liquid by nature. Gaseous hormone is present in plant, that is ethylene. The first hormone was secretin, discovered by Starling, whereas hormone further of two types, that is stimulatory and inhibitory. Stimulatory is the hormone which stimulates or enhances the response, whereas inhibitory is the hormone which inhibits the response by the via feedback mechanism. Feedback mechanism is the mechanism in which we study that if a hormone, may be thyroxine, example, it acting as a BMR normally, but increase in thyroxine will inhibit the release of thyroxine, that is called feedback mechanism. Glands are further of two types, endocrine gland and exocrine gland. Exocrine gland is the gland in which, or we can say they require duct for release of hormone, whereas endocrine is a ductless gland, releases its hormone directly into the blood or plasma. If we are talking about the different types of endocrine glands, the largest gland is liver, Second largest gland is pancreas, and largest endocrine gland is thyroid gland. Characters of hormone. That is, they do not store in body, they disappear after their work. They don't have any side effects. Types of glands are here the pituitary gland, above that is hypothalamus, next is pineal gland, which is called third eye in frog. Then there is thymus, which disappear at the age of 40 to 50 years. After that there is thyroid gland, having in between them is parathyroid. Thyroid gland is H shape where it is having a center called isthmus. After that there is pancreas, then adrenal gland, which is 2 in number, next if we are talking is the ovary, which is also 2 in number, and then testes, they are also 2 in number, where adrenal gland is also known as 4S gland, 3F gland, or gland in gland. Where hypothalamus is the master gland of the body, is the head master gland of the body, which control the functions of pituitary gland, acts as a master gland of the body. If we talk about pineal gland, this pineal gland maintains the biological clock of the human body, or it is known as circadian rhythm. In which a person wake up early in the morning at 8 a.m. and sleeps at 10 p.m. After 20 days, he wake up at 7 a.m. and sleep at 9 p.m. Further, pineal maintain the schedule according to which that person wake up at 7 a.m. and his or her eyes start closing at 9 p.m. only. You see the structure of hypothalamus as well as pituitary gland. This is the pituitary gland where it is connected with the hypothalamus by infundibulum. Here is the neuron from hypothalamus connecting inside the posterior part of the pituitary. This is posterior pituitary gland. This is anterior pituitary gland, where in anterior part signal provided by hypothalamus and anterior pituitary gland will synthesize it, whereas in posterior pituitary formation of hormone occurs itself in hypothalamus. Secretion of it will be by posterior part of pituitary gland.